sisters and brothers and metal lovers! Right here again at North Valley Forge. Show you what we're on with today. And we really miss you because we haven't been here, because certain folk haven't been here. I've been running around like a blue horse fly all on my own trying to run shop. Because someone's got food poisoning the other week because his mother made a very rough pie and he's putting some 65x6 in. 65x6 plain ball going through. He's all better now, aren't you, Joe? You're all better now. That's how that's on both sides, top and bottom. We use that all in his gate frames and that eye section. Over here, Matt's over here. Say hello, Matt. What Matt's on with, punching some diamonds into 40x10 bar. That's all set up for that. 100mm centres. We're ready for them. And that's what they're coming out like them. 40x10, 2.1 metres long. I've got some flying fire over here. Gas mark 6 as usual. And I'm going to kick this off. In here. Just making some points. You got it? You got it. Keep pulling that round and round. So that's 16mm round point. And they come out like them. So I've got a rake of them in there. And what we're making today with these is some curtain pole lens, pigtails and stuff. So we had this right old chap came in for a special order. It was only the other day, he wants 8 of these curtain poles for his new house. So what we do, roll these up right tight, like a snail or rolling them right tight in. Get it over that. So we get a really big fat in and like about 100mm. Do that another tap. Folding it over trying to get a bit more every time. Tighten it up. And we keep going until you got a big like candy lolly, innit? So they go in there. Once you get really tight like that, you'll stick your own spike here. You're just going to knock that in. So it turns into like a pigtail. Keep turning that into that. End up there. Back on itself, right little bit. And then what we do, fly back in there. Now pull it back round and centre it all so it's a bit like that. And that's like your pigtails curtain in. So then we put 3 water in. One of these 16mm half bushes, put a 5mm hole in it, and then we're going to just tap that, here guys, 6mm tap, so it's 6mm grub screw, 10mm long, will sit in it. What's that in there? Great sharpish. Just going to put that on this little peg here. Put him in there. Watch your eyes, watch your eyes. Basically your curtain ends that go on these. Then you've got your brackets which are 25mm by 10mm, edge hammered, and what we do with these, stick them on there like that so they just sail them. And what we've also got is a couple of these little plates here, got a ball, you know, well that's the back of that. Fixing plate there like that. And then you've got your curtain pole brackets. So all that. Don't just do gates down here at North Valley Forge. What you want, you design it, we'll build it. We'll see you next week, make sure it's Bob Swift.